Okay, it's been a while. A lot has happened since I last had a chance to sit down and do some filming. I celebrated my 80th birthday last week and looking forward to completing my 81st year. Hard to believe. My mind doesn't think that much time has gone by, but when I look back at everything that I've done, it makes sense that it's been 80 years. But anyway, I was supposed to be celebrating my 80th birthday by enjoying a ride along with a member of our local police department. They were scheduled it for my birthday, and I was going to be able to film and do an interview with the officer. But the night or the day before my birthday, we had an officer involved shooting right in my neighborhood, and the suspect died as a result of his wounds. And a lot of things happened, protests, a large area of the neighborhood closed off for several days for investigation. And then businesses closed because of protests that were going on. So there was a lot of activity in the neighborhood, and it kind of restricted what I was doing as well. So that live ride along is going to be rescheduled. But when I sat down today, just decided that maybe I would check to see what was going on out in the world of YouTube. I discovered that our dear Dimash had uploaded another song back on the 31st. So I thought I'd go ahead and look into it and do a review on it. And this is, and I know I'm going to mispronounce it, Aqerke. And it's a modern take on a traditional folk song. And he does it with, putting the Dimash little golden touch onto it. It's a song that's traditionally performed on the dombyra, so I'm sure we're going to hear that instrument a lot. And his friend Renat, who we've seen a lot of collaboration with, collaborated on this one. And they blended the folk style with contemporary musical arrangements. And it's got, from what I understand, there is going to be some snippets from the original or one of the more renowned performers of this. So we'll get to see a little bit of what the original sounded like. And the video for it is filmed in his hometown as well as Almaty. So we've got a lot of visuals of Kazakhstan that we'll see. And one of the little notes that I found interesting of the actual performers, there were over 130 people involved, all in the production of it, but 10,000 residents of his hometown came to the stadium where they were filming to do a scene on there. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and play it. Freedom Bank.
Şıbınım oynada gül şaşbaulım sırgalım. Şıbınım oynada gül şaşbaulım sırgalım. Etli sözün gönlümde ette basama.
Clever camera work, brother. Up, stay in that truck. Some clever wire work. And the young man who once said he couldn't dance is really learning. Father's okay, that's good. He's young guy.
Şıbınım oynada gül şaşbaulım sırgalım. Şıbınım oynada gül şaşbaulum sırgalım. Şıbınım oynada gül şaşbaulum sırgalım. Şıbınım oynada gül şaşbaulum sırgalım.
Serious face. Okay. Somebody tell me what this song is. It sounds familiar.
Excelente.
Bravo!
Bravo!
Interesting. Traditional song, giving a little bit contemporary. I like the fact that he doing a little more dancing. I like the overall production of it. It kind of reminded me of one he did before that was for the Kazakhstan tourism. I'm not sure if this one was on that line as well. I did see one of his major sponsors, Freedom Bank, with that little quick ad slipped in there. Probably not his most spectacular song on there, but I love the overall production of it, and of course, his voice is always outstanding. Well, with that, I am going to sign off, and until I get with you again, peace.